Hello everyone, I am going to arrange some flowers for our Thanksgiving party tomorrow. I don't have any technical skills in arranging flowers, but I just like to do what I feel like looks nice. So here are our flowers. I actually got these from Trader Joe's. Very fall inspired flowers. These were $20 each, so we're gonna make a nice one. And then I thought that this was a very pretty violet color, so I got that too. So here we go. No real experience in arranging flowers, but I'm just gonna do what looks good. These are the two vases I have. I have other square ones and round ones, but I wanted to mismatch them both. So we shall see what I come up with. There you guys have it. I think that we are done and complete. We have two arrangements. This baby here for our Thanksgiving fall flowers. Ta-da! Why is that little gap down there? An arrangement is this baby right here. Is I think I need this a little higher. Break. That's it. So stay tuned because we're going to do some official how to arrange holiday flowers.
Save the date. On Sunday, December 12th at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we are going to live stream with SOCAL Filipinos and learn holiday floral arrangement with Petals and Pricklies, and of course, yours truly, I will be hosting and helping along. Save the date and we'll see you there.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page and ring that notification bell so you'll see the next time I make videos. I just make random videos, you know, it's Sweeney's world. You enter my world. I do marketing stuff, event stuff, tips, career stuff, things like this, hobbies, Zumba, dancing, talking about plants, whatever. So follow and leave a comment down below if you learned something. I mean, I wasn't really teaching you anything. I was just showing you how I kind of find my way around arranging these things. So bye guys!